Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see interactive reports. In the previous lecture, we have seen about different types of reports and what is classical report. Let us see the agenda first. We are going to see what is interactive report and different events in interactive report. So what is interactive report? Basically, in interactive report, there are two lists provided. That is, one is basic list and second one is secondary list. There is only one basic list, but there can be up to 20 secondary lists. In basic list, the summarized information is provided, but in the secondary list, detailed information is been provided. So the first list is called as a basic list, and its number is a 0, and the further we can have up to 20 secondary list which starts from 1 to 20. Let us see different events in interactive report. First event is at line selection. This event gets triggered when a user clicks on any reports on any list. At user command, this event gets triggered when user click on custom GUI button. Then there is a top of a page during line selection. This is used to provide a constant page heading for all the secondary list. And at predefined function, this gets triggered when a user clicks on any function keys from F1 to F12. There are some system variables provided by interactive reports like SYLSIND. It contains current list index number. Secondly, SYLISEL. It contains the selection record. And like this, many more system variables are there. Let us see the difference between classical report and interactive report. Both the reports are used to validate the or extract the data from the internal tables, but there are some difference between them, where classical report does not allow user to interact with SAP system, whereas in interactive report allows user to interact with SAP system. The second difference is classical report provides no control over the output for executing the report, but in interactive report it helps user to control the output after executing the report. Third one, there is only a single list provided in the classical report, but there are multiple number of lists can be used into interactive report. In the next lecture, we are going to see about ALV report.